Assalamualaikum everyone and hi to all. Today I will explain you each and everything in O level. Subject selection, you can subject if you want to select the science subject or art subject, you can. Medical and engineering purpose and computer engineering. And also I will show you past paper review of examiner and answer key with it. How you will open O level and A level. First we will go for the O level. Next video I will make about A level. Cambridge International.org. Cambridge changed the site name because first it is using ci.org.uk, now Cambridge International.org. When you write this one and you will press enter, now you will find out Cambridge Assessment International Education, CAIE, you will find everywhere. Now first of all, if you want to go through that one, what about do and our management team, regional team, and also our standard career, you can examiner if you want to apply for the examiner. Now I am going to choose what is the choose that one. Why choose us benefit to Cambridge education? You will go through it, how you will join the Cambridge and that. Now I am going to discuss O level, that why. In next video I will discuss the other thing inside that one. Now we are going to click on the Cambridge O level. IGCSE is there and O level is there. First we will go for the O level. Now in O level this window will be appear. Now a description about the O level. Now we are going for the curriculum, or if you want to go for the subject you can. This is the O level curriculum. It is a description about the curriculum. Okay, now we will go for the subject. In subject, when you click on it, now we provide a wide range of teaching support and resources material for each Cambridge O level subject. Select the subject below for the detail. We will go below for that one. Zone 1, 2 and 6. Right, now we will go and click here. Which subject you want, you will click on it. For example, in Pakistan, mostly student is that one, Islamiyat, code number 2058. Want to open this one, and we will go for the biology for science subject. Right click and it coded 5090, and we are going to for the maths D 4024. We'll click on it and we will open the new window inside that one, new tab. Okay, now Pakistani 2059, Pakistani 2059, and for the physics for science 5054, and here chemistry for science 5070. If you want to go for selection the computer, beside that one, if you are not choosing the biology, you will go for computer science for O level 2210. Okay, we will come down. If you want to go for the economics, these you can. E for English 1123, the code of that, and we will come down. And if you are going to travel and tourism, you can for arts, geography and these type of things. And the Urdu for Pakistan 3248. Right, we will choose Urdu as a second language. Now we complete the selection of the subject. Now in this subject you can choose a medical side, engineering science and computer science. Now we click here for first subject of Islamiyat. In Islamiyat, if you want to appear in 2023, you can use for 2022 and 23. You can click on it, you can open, it will be open there, subject in the detail. And if you want to go for the brief subject, syllabus will be there, a curriculum. If you want to go and for past paper examiner report, you can. Sorry, when we click here, okay, now it will be take time for downloading. Here also the biology subject 5090 syllabus is there. Which year you will appear, you will click on it, and past paper is there and examiner report. We only go for one. Now Islamiyat 2058. Now this one, for example, paper 1, we click on it, it will be open, and we will go for marking scheme and examiner report. We will open that one. Okay, let's see. Now each and every subject have their syllabus there and examiner report, exam paper, past paper is there, and this one published resources. We click here, resources will be there. Now this is Pak Study 2059. This one physics, the code 5054, syllabus there. We click here for papers. Chemistry 5070, syllabus is there. If a student appear on 20 and 22, now you will download this one. If the student in 23 will be appear in that exam till 2025, now they will be download that one. Now this one computer science, syllabus is there and also the past paper is there and also resources. Now let's see first. Now this is the syllabus or curriculum for that one, Cambridge. Now each and everything is the introduction. Why choose Cambridge International? Choose O level Cambridge and also the level subject, O level subject, and how can I find more inside that one. Support material is there and aim of that curriculum or the syllabus is there. If you click here, now this one assessment objective, it will be each and everything will be explained inside that one. Recall, select, present, and these type of things. Right now these are the A01 knowledge level 4 question 4. Now it will be there, each and everything will be inside your that one curriculum or in syllabus. Each and everything will be there. Now it is detailed curriculum there, right? Now after that we are going to see that one, this one marking scheme of that paper. Marking scheme Cambridge will provide you. After that one, examiner report. Examiner will be give you report about the paper. It will become, it will take time, some time. I am going to close this one. This one English language 1123. Okay, computer have a two paper, paper 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2. And English have a two paper, paper 1 and 2. Islamiyat have a two paper 1 and 2. Pakistani have a two paper 1 and 2, history and geography. And chemistry have a three paper, 1, 2 and 4. Physics have a two paper, 1, 2 and 4. And biology have a three paper, 1, 2 and 6. Islamiyat have a two paper, 1 and 2. Now this is the description about each and every questions, right? Now the examiner will provide you guideline right here, each and everything. For example, attempt almost all the candidate attempt question 1, answer both part of the question, better answer, focus on these themes discussed in each passage, right? It will be describe each and everything will be described paper and 1 and 2, right? And this one is the paper for O level, is for Islamiyat, right? The answer will be right student here in this space. Okay, we'll close this one. Okay, if we click here for resources, you can, if you want to search from there, you can. Okay, now these are the resources. Computer, for example, book, this one, IGCSE or O level. If you need a CD or textbook, you will click. If you need a website, you can. The camera will charge this one. Okay, now these are the book for the computer science, and also website is available here. If you write here first paper for O level, if right here and you will enter, you can find many things there. Okay, now we are click here. Now we are going to Cambridge will provide also the training to you, and many teacher training and events is there. And this one grade threshold table is there. For example, November 2020, if you click here in the November exam, let's see. Now this one O level paper is there, GCE guide is there. If you click here, gceguide.com, papers.gceguide.com, if you click here, then it will be appear. You know, these are the different subject papers. Now I'm going to click on computing 2020 threshold. Now you will see component 1, 2 and 2, 2. This one component and that one for number. Now this first one, this is using in Pakistan and India and Middle East there. 89 got A star. It is that one 125 marks paper. First paper 1, this one paper 1 to 75% marks and 75 marks, and this one paper 2 is 50 marks, 125 marks total, right? Now if the student got 89, it score A star is 74 then percent A. Now this is called threshold of subject. Every subject have their own threshold, right? Okay, we click here. Now we need a paper. If you need a paper, you will click an O level and you can easily find out these past paper. I am going to search about for the computer science. When I click here, now computer science will be there, right? You need a resources, you will click on resources. If you need a paper of 2020, if you click here, now paper will be appearing, right? Now which paper you need, you will download and you will bookmark this one. Now when you require this website, simple, you go through it. Where when you click here, now you can see in bookmark, and down we will go there, and we have this one, papers for O level, right? Okay, now I want to close this one. Okay, if you like this video, you will subscribe my channel and give the comments and click on bell icon. When I make the new video, it will be automatically come to your channel, right? Or on your that one email, right? Okay, now after that, if you click here again program, this is using for the administration purpose, we will discuss later on, right? We click here. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself. Okay, now we will discuss this one, the primary education, lower secondary and upper secondary and Cambridge Advanced. We will discuss in the next video inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care by yourself.